Hello everyone, I hope everyone is fine and doing great at work. Today in this video, I will show you how to deploy uh, transaction notification in SAP Business One version for HANA. For those who don't know what is transaction notification means I want to have a customized control in the system. Uh, for example, I want to restrict the user uh, to create a GRPO without purchase order. Like I don't want like I want purchase order as a base document for each GRPO in my system. So first I have a test database. I'll show you in my current scenario. I can create goods receipt PO without purchase order. For example, I have vendor. Okay, update. I selected any item and just saved it, and it's saved. Now I want to have a control in the system. I should not be able to create any GRPO without creating a purchase order. Similar like SQL Server, there is an application called SAP HANA Studio. We will log into the SAP HANA Studio, and in the catalog we will have our database. This is my database approval underscore test, and in the database I will navigate to procedures, and I applied a filter here, notification. If I don't apply the filter, I can simply search here SPU transaction notification. SPU transaction notification. I will right click and open with SAP HANA Studio. I will copy the code and open a new window and paste it. The first thing I need to do, I need to change the statement to alter, because I'm going to alter the system's standard transaction notification code. I will put my customized code here. Okay, in order to summarize the video, I already have a code. I will just quick and copy and paste and explain it for you. First thing I need to select is the object type. What is the object type? Like in SAP, every document has a numeric object type in the table. So for goods received PO, the object type is 20. Then I need to mention the condition, like this code should be triggered at the time of saving the document, like adding the document A and or updating the document Q. You can find more detail in the same code, like A is used for add, U is used for update, D is used for delete, and C is used for cancel, and L is used for closing action. Then I need to mention here a simple query, select from documents like OPDN, which is the header table of goods receipt PO, rows table, join, okay, and then document entry and the standard syntax like whenever an entry is going to be saved, and my condition like if the base type is not equal to 22. Base type is basically object type of the purchase order. Other than this query, if you see, I have something like select count line number into C and T. So whenever my query will have results, it will be inserted into this variable which I already declared on the top. Okay, and if the number of results are will increase, I mean will be more than 0, then I will see an error message here. Other than this, I need to put some standard syntax. Okay, like error number is 22, and then I need to end my statements. After adding my code, I will simply right click and execute. Now I will go to SAP and I will try to create a GRPO without purchase order, and it should stop me. You can see you cannot create GRPO without PO. Okay, now I will create a purchase order for the same item. Okay, and I will try to copy from purchase order. I have only one purchase order. Okay, I copied from purchase order and I will try to save it, and it's saved. Thank you very much for watching the video, and if you have any questions you can add it in comments.